Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing good. Um, we're fine. We're at home with the kids and with my husband. We're all working from home and doing school from home. You guys are gonna start always in the portal. Go to portal.pasadenaisd.org. Okay, you're gonna log in and you're still gonna be using Schoology. So we're still gonna be using Schoology. But we're also going to be using Ingenuity. And some of you have already started, and some of you have never even been on it. So if you go to Applications, you will see Ingenuity in one of your applications. Okay? We're also going to be doing Schoology, just like normal, because there's things in Schoology. Let's go to Schoology first. There's things in Schoology when you go to Courses and you click on your course, whatever period you have me. The calendar is still there, okay? I'm going to be posting videos still. I have, on Friday, I posted how to join Remind. So if you're not on my Remind, you need to be on my Remind. That's how I send messages out all the time. I also posted it on here. This PDF, when you click on it, it tells you how to join my Remind. So if you haven't joined my Remind, this is how you join Remind so that you can receive messages from me and so that you can send me messages for anything that you need. Okay, I also put a link on here of student webpage, which is it's www. Let me see if I can click on it. It's www.studentmightyeagles.org. Okay, but when you click on it, it sends you straight into there. And so there's information on that page. You can click this little arrow, it will take you to the page, and it has all the information you need. It has Principal's Corner, it has information about technology if you haven't gotten your tablet. All the information you need will be on there. I also posted, let me see, what else did I post? I also posted this link. This is Miss Mesa's meeting room from 9 to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday if you need help. So if you click on that, okay, it will take you to a meeting room, and it's like a video conferencing chat room. So let me click on it. Hold on. There it is. So it says the camera starting, and then you pop up, and then you just join. So we will all be on here together, and don't mind me, I just showered. I have no makeup on. I look all crazy. Okay, and I'm recording this video for you guys. It's Sunday night, okay? Let me go back. Okay, so that's everything that you will see on Schoology. Okay, and that's the baby. And so if we go to, so let's click on, let's go back to the portal. Let's click on Ingenuity. Okay, right, that button. And let's enter as a student. Okay, you will have all your classes on here. I only have Algebra 1 because I added myself to that course, but everybody else should have English, biology, social studies. So you just click on it. Oh, let me go back. It tells you your percentage right here, how much you've completed. You guys need to complete, let me write it down right here so you can see it, 13% per week. Okay, and you can do more if you want to. The more you do, the faster you will finish the course. And once you finish the course, you will be done and you don't have to do anything else. Okay, so 13% per week. Some of you already completed the percentage that you needed to complete for the week. So when you click on it, next activity, oops, it takes you to wherever you left off. Okay, but let me go home. Right here, it takes you to where you're at. So the first thing you do is a warm-up, then you do instructions, summary, assignment, lesson notes. Everybody make sure that you are taking notes as you go. So for instruction, let's say, let me see, can I go back? They give you some sort of instruction and you will write everything down that you need. Those are going to be your notes. Write them down on a piece of paper. Hold on real quick. Okay, so make sure you're writing all these notes down on a piece of paper. When you are done with your notes, you can take a picture of it, because this is what's going to happen. You're going to go on here and it's going to ask for the lesson, for the notes. It says, in order to submit this assignment, you must enter 10 words based on one of the following. Read more. You will take a picture of it and you will send the picture to my Remind app, okay? Or to my email. And I will post my email in Schoology just so you can see it. But on here you will type, I sent the notes as a picture to Miss Meza on Remind, or through email, or whatever, right? It has to be 10 words. If it's not 10 words, it's not going to let you submit it, okay? If it's less than 10 words, it's not going to let you submit it. So you will submit it, and I will then grade your notes and put either a 0, you didn't turn in your notes, a 50, a 70, or 100, depending on how good your notes are, okay? That's how I'm going to be grading the notes. Then once you're done with the notes, then you're going to go to the next one, would be the quiz, right? And you're going to continue until you finish everything. We will be meeting in that one room that I told you. We're going to be meeting in this room, Miss Meza's meeting room, from 9 to 11. If you guys have questions or whatever, then I can make videos for you and I can post my videos in the calendar, just like normal. I'll be posting videos on here and I will name them based on, where's this thing? I will name them based on these lessons. So you have factoring polynomials greatest common factor, factoring polynomials double grouping, factoring polynomials a equals 1. That's what I'm going to be naming my videos so that you can look only for the videos that you need. Solving quadratics, and I'm also going to show you how you can put some of these in Desmos. Now, some of these you cannot do in Desmos, you have to do them by hand, but there's going to be stuff like solving quadratics, where you know that you can put it in Desmos and look for the solutions. Okay, guys, I'm excited to start classes with you tomorrow. Again, I will be in, let's go back to Schoology. I will be in this room. I will be in this room at 9 o'clock, okay? If anybody wants to join me and just say hi, or if you have any questions, we can talk there, okay? And I'll be there from 9 to 11. And I will get more information about what type of videos you guys are going to need, okay? I miss you, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Well, today, because you'll probably be watching this video on Monday.